Hey guys, this is Brittany from Smale Kia in Greensburg. This is our new Kia K4 that replaced the Forte, and I'm really excited to share some features with you today. This is the Kia K4 EX. This is the mid trim, and the extra features that you're going to get on here are the 17-inch alloy wheels, the 12.3 instrument display, the dual zone auto climate control with a 5-inch display, a wireless phone charger, premium cloth seat trim, and the dual illuminated vanity mirrors. So what we love about this Kia K4 is the advanced driver assistance systems are standard. So you have the forward collision avoidance assist, you have your lane keep assist, you have your driver attention warning and high beam assist, your blind spot collision avoidance assist, and your smart cruise control with stop and go. Another cool feature about this vehicle is it has the keyless entry. So if you put your hand on the handle here and put your thumb right here on the button, this is going to be able to lock and unlock your vehicle, and it has remote start. So Kia has one of the best warranties with the 10-year, 100,000-mile limited powertrain warranty, the 5-year, 60,000-mile limited basic warranty, along with the 5-year, 60,000-mile roadside assistance. What makes this vehicle stand out is it's one of the most affordable vehicles on the market. This particular one starts at $25,000. My name's Brittany from Smale Kia in Greensburg. If you're interested in our Kia lineup, come visit us on Route 30 in Greensburg or at smalekia.com.